I want to talk to you about close, and when we talk about close, we're of course we're talking about email marketing, but also you are speaking about email marketing within the larger context of a client relationship management software tool. So here's a presentation I want you to really pay attention to. What is close really? So when you think about close, I want you to think about something that's way more than email marketing. It is a great CRM tool to manage your relationships with leads and customers. And Close actually boasts impressive sales automation features that can help you really, with any sort of a lead generation right, and email marketing campaigns. And if you wish to contact, nurture, or and close your leads without any technical hassle, then Close CRM really rocks. And Close centralizes much of your email marketing, your lead generation, and sales pipeline, and really organizes your entire team. So that's really cool in terms of centralization. Okay, so we love that a lot. So with Close, you have the pros and cons. You can easily import your leads. You have an intuitive and easy to use dashboard, and you have a voice over IP calling right out of the box. We love the fact that you have built-in calling. So the built-in calling is pretty good. So Close CRM offers a built-in calling feature that allows users to make and receive calls directly within the platform. You have email integration. So the CRM integrates seamlessly with email, allowing you as a user to send, receive, and track emails without leaving the platform. So that's really cool in terms of, again, in terms of a centralization. You have time-saving automations. So the tool provides automation capabilities like email sequences and reminders, which can help sales team and save time and reduce manual tasks. You have a user-friendly interface, so you can really get started really fast. You have a powerful search. So Close CRM search feature is robust, allowing you as a user to quickly find contacts, leads, and other information. We love the fact that you have reporting and analytics. We love the granularity there. The platform offers a detailed reporting and analytics capabilities, helping teams understand their performance and optimize their strategies. You have integrations with other tools, so Close CRM can be integrated seamlessly with various third-party applications and tools, increasing its functionality and adaptability for different business needs. And we also love the fact that Close is really subject to continuous updates. So the company behind Close CRM frequently releases updates and new features, ensuring that the platform remains modern and competitive. So that's really cool. So what about so those are actually the pros. What about the cons? The pricing. So the Close CRM can be on the pricier side compared to other CRMs on the market, especially when it comes to email marketing. You have limited customization. The tool is not suitable actually for larger teams. There's a learning curve, and you have limited native integrations. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Let's talk about the differentiators that you can really think about when it comes to Close CRM. Now, I want you to really understand that Close CRM remains one of the most comprehensive solutions to offer a wide range of key features designed to streamline and enhance your sales process, right? It's not just for solopreneurs or mid-sized businesses, it is for large enterprises as well. So when we talk about the differentiators with Close, you have a robust contact management process. You have seamless email integration. You have built-in calling and SMS. You can automate the outreach with workflows. You have comprehensive reporting and analytics. Let me break it down for you. I'm going to go a little granular so we are all on the same page here. When we talk about robust contact management, you have an intuitive interface for managing your customer data. You can easily import leads and contacts using the CSV import tool, or migrate from other CRMs using the free one-click migration tool. With Close CRM, you can keep all of your contact information organized and accessible, ensuring that you have the necessary details at your fingertips to drive meaningful conversations. So that's really an important development. And the seamless email integration is really cool because basically Close CRM integrates seamlessly with email providers like Gmail and Outlook. This integration enables you to send and receive emails directly within this CRM, eliminating the need to switch between platforms. Additionally, Close CRM offers email tracking capabilities, allowing you to see when leads open your emails and track engagement accordingly. And also, what we love about built-in calling and SMS is that you are able to, you can make calls directly from the CRM interface and using your preferred telephony provider, or send SMS messages to prospects without leaving the platform. So that's really good. And we love the centrality here, because this integration ensures that all your communication channels are in one place, making it a lot easier to track interactions and follow up effectively. And you will love the granularity in terms of reporting and analytics. So that's really good. So you are able to have valuable insights into your sales performance over time. You can generate reports on key metrics like conversion rates, revenue generated, and sales activities. These reports enable you to evaluate your sales strategies, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your sales process. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Close CRM. Is this email marketing tool really worth it for you? I want to talk a little bit about sales automation capabilities, because those capabilities can really expand your revenue base like big time. And so sales Close CRM sales automation capabilities provide all kinds of users with tools and functionality to streamline their sales process and increase efficiency. So what's happening here is that when you think about the sales process and the sales funnel process overall, you are able to automate things right off the bat. So by automating repetitive tasks, sales reps can focus their time and energy on building relationships with prospects and closing deals. That's what you want anyway. You want your sales reps to actually cultivate relationships, not to just chase numbers. Chase people over the phone, right? They're not telemarketers. That's a different line of duties, if you will. So when we talk about sales automation, you are speaking about a few things that really make Close CRM actually stand out. You have email sequences, you have task management, you have call automation, you have lead routing, you have sales pipeline management. So that's really cool. So when we talk about email sequences, for instance, with Close CRM, you can create personalized email sequences that are automatically sent out based on triggers or specific time intervals. And this allows you to engage with leads at scale while maintaining a personal touch. The cool thing here is that when we talk about email marketing, it's not just about sending emails, right? It's about thinking about the deliverability rate. It's about making sure that you have you can maintain good reputation, and importantly, you can also validate those email addresses that you're using, and you can set up follow-up emails within Close CRM, nurture campaigns, and reminders to ensure that no lead slips through the cracks. So that's really an important development. And for task management, Close CRM offers a robust task management capabilities to help you stay organized and prioritize your daily activities. The cool thing is you can create tasks for follow-ups, meetings, or any other action items directly within the platform. And tasks can be assigned to team members, given due dates, and tracked to ensure accountability, which is really good, especially if you are managing a large email campaign. You want to have accountability for sure. Let's talk about the features you can actually think about when you consider Close. You have calling, you have email marketing, you have reporting, you have SMS, you have API integration. So let's talk about calling. Calling, I've said this before. The cool thing is that you can easily place and manage your sales calls within Close, and you can do so using voice over IP. All of your customer and lead data is easy to access and understand. Imagine if your CRM was capable of handling outgoing calls automatically. You and your sales team could work to crush your sales and closing performance from a single dashboard. And the Close Power Dialer makes it really straightforward to automate the sales process by streamlining lead calling, working automatically through your list of prospects so you can contact them in a more organized fashion. With global coverage and power dialing features, your sales team will actually love the freedom and power that Close provides. And so we love the fact that, email marketing also. So, Close makes it very easy to use your database to send sales emails without any technical frustration or marketing wizardry. You can define who you want your message to go to and automate your entire campaign with a few clicks of the button. You can easily automate email marketing campaigns without juggling between your traditional CRM and email autoresponder app. And Close makes it simple to deploy drip marketing and nurture emails to your leads. You can craft the ideal email marketing campaign and then quickly dispatch those emails at scale. So that's really cool. So you can send in bulk without any tech stress. You can track your emails so you know who opened what. You can schedule your emails to send when you want. You follow up email reminders so your messages are timely. You can snooze emails, which allows you to focus on your red hot leads first. You have undo send feature allows you to fix any errors, and you have HTML customizations so you can easily brand your campaign. So that's really great. You have reporting, that's really good. So you are able to like you from a single dashboard, you can easily visualize everything your sales team need to keep track to meet their objectives. You have SMS, you have API integration. So API integrations, you have Zapier, Zendesk, Slack, Facebook, HubSpot, PandaDoc, MailChimp, Stitch, Intercom, 99 Inbound. Fantastic. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Close CRM. Is this email marketing tool really worth it for you? Let me talk to you about the pricing. You can see on the screen here, the Close CRM is not cheap, right? So really, for a startup, they're charging you $49 for professional, $299 for enterprise, $699, and we are speaking here about the annual billing. So this is per month when billed annually. If you were to go with a monthly billing, you will be actually paying 25 to 30 to 33% more. So Close has three different packages depending on the size and complexity of your marketing team. So whether you are a tiny one-person team or the head of a large sales unit, there is a plan that can fit your budget. So the prices that you see on the screen here reflect the monthly plan when actually billed annually. Okay, so you have the startup, the professional, and you have the business slash enterprise plan. So the startup plan used to be called the starter plan before, and they charge you $49 per month. And this is a great option if you run a sales team with 1 to 3 people. And the starter package allows you to store 2,500 leads and 5 custom fields for your contacts. And then you have the professional plan. And the professional plan is that will cost you about $299 per month. And this is great for medium to large businesses with robust marketing and sales teams. The professional plan gives you everything that the basic plan, the starter plan, provides, in addition to bulk email sending, email sequences, and the power dialer. Now, Close used to have a basic plan before, which was a little above the starter plan. They actually removed that. So nowadays they just have 3 plans: startup, professional, and enterprise. So let's talk about enterprise. So enterprise used to be called business plan. So this enterprise plan will set you back $699 per month. And this is worth considering if you operate a large sales team who will use all of Close's most powerful features. On the enterprise plan, you get all the features, including the predictive dialer, voicemail drops, call transferring, call recording, and custom graphs. So you have a lot of capabilities there. Let's talk about the value added here. So how can Close benefits your business? The single most important and significant advantage in our view that Close CRM offers is the flexibility to manage leads and close sales confidently. So anyone who is frustrated that technical hurdles are damaging their marketing and sales flow will be relieved to find a seamless marketing process, especially when it comes to email marketing. For instance, you can quickly import a list of leads and then use the power dialer to automatically seek out a prospect, which really, when you think about it, eliminates a ton of clutter and downtime. You can focus on nurturing sales, which you should be doing anyway, instead of bending over backward to someone on the phone. So this is really cool. So what we love about Close here is that you are able to get things done a lot faster. And the cool thing is that Starting with Close CRM might seem like a daunting experience, but the truth is it's very simple to get up and rolling quickly. The first step is to choose a plan that makes the most sense for you, right? We only have 3 plans. After you register and log into Close, there are a variety of ways that you can import your leads. You can use the Close migration tool, or you can import your leads via a CSV file. You can also import your leads via API should you wish. And once the leads are in the system, you're going to save a boatload of time and frustration because everything will be automated from now on. You can probably start with Close CRM in less time than it would take to contact a dozen leads without Close manually. So it's one of those things where when we talk about the value added really lies in the automation. So you are able to automate all kinds of stuff, and you are able to do things a lot faster. So this is an important element. And so the thing is, just remember that there is a free 2-week trial so that you can test Close without any financial risk or obligation. If you decide that you like the software, then you can start the lowest tier plan. And we love the fact that Close integrates, as I said a little earlier, Close integrates with tons of applications from Zapier to QuickBooks to Salesforce and so on and so forth. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. So what is our verdict here? Is Close CRM worth it for your email marketing and your marketing automation in general? Our answer is yes. You have a tool that's really worth it. You have a tool that is legit, a tool that's safe. We love the fact that Close CRM remains a popular customer relationship management software tool. It is actually designed to help businesses manage their sales and customer interactions more effectively. So if you are listening to me right now and you are looking for a tool that really helps your business manage its sales and customer interactions more effectively, you might want to give Close a closer look, if you will. And because the tool offers features like lead management, deal tracking, and email automation. And the tool also provides a centralized platform for teams to collaborate and track their progress. It integrates with various third-party applications such as Gmail and Outlook. So if you are worried about that sort of integration, you are good to go. And it has a very user-friendly interface and can be easily customized to meet specific business needs. We also love the fact that Close CRM has introduced in the last few months artificial intelligence. So you are able to use the likes of ChatGPT to have smart insights and predictive analysis. So that's really good. You also have real-time notifications and reminders to ensure timely follow-ups with prospects and clients. Users can generate detailed reports and analyze sales data to identify trends and improve performance. So the cool thing is that Close goes above actually its usual strategy to just look at the lead management, but they actually provide they provide contextual information, and so that's really good. And so you can generate detailed reports and analyze sales data to identify trends and improve performance. So from a benchmarking perspective, Close is doing a great job. So we think overall Close is a great CRM/email marketing choice. So you just have to think about what you are looking for is what Close is really offering. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's quickly do a recap here. So I gave you a Close CRM review, give you the presentation, the differentiators, the features, the pricing, the value added, and the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.